Welcome back. And if you didn't see our last video, we're working on a 1979 CJ7 that needs a lot of love and a lot of upgrades. Now we changed the oil to check the oil pump to see if it's still good, and it checked out just fine. Next, we had to replace the battery switch that was going bad just so we could start it.
Got voltage.
Now we are right where we left off into this video.
Alright, she finally got up to operating temperature and it's looking pretty good so far. Take a look. Just at an idle, we're sitting at 20. We used to sit at 20 going down the road. Now this is gassing it up. Beautiful. I'll take that all day. All day.
Now we move on to changing motor mounts and replacing a oil pan gasket. As you can see, it shakes quite a bit. First thing is first is you have to support the engine so the engine doesn't fall while removing the engine mounts. Now I am emptying the oil into a clean bucket because I plan on reusing it since I liked how it ran with it. I'm going to use it till it degrades it a little bit and then go do a fresh oil change. Ended up finding out the plate for the motor mount on the passenger side that's on the block. If you remove that, the motor mount will just fall right out. Since you got the oil pan off, it is smart to check your piston rod caps, see if they have any movement back and forth. If they have slop, that means you're gonna have to replace your bearings. They're worn out. Now, the only thing I didn't do that I wish I would have is remove the cap completely to see what the bearing surface looks like. But this engine was rebuilt not crazy long ago, so I kind of just went with it. Now we move on to cleaning everything. The driver's side motor mount was so blatantly in my face with the oil pan off, I decided to do it right then and there.
A little backstory on the Jeep is I've had this thing for about 10 years. About 8 years ago, I got a rebuilt engine for it, installed it, and it runs phenomenal. Now, it rocked around in the engine bay quite a bit, and this might be partially why, if you see right in there, there's a bolt missing. Oops. Pan is all dry and ready to put on. Let's go.
This is the RTV Mega Black that I used. You put in the corners of your gasket so you prevent leaks by your rear main seal and front seal. Then I put some 90-minute gasket maker on the block and the oil pan, just a very thin layer to create a tacky surface.
All right, now that the oil pan's done and the RTV is setting up before I put any oil into it, I have a wiring harness for the side marker light that I have to get done, a block off plate for the CB radio inside that I want to take out, and a replacement headlight that we're going to place this guy over here that is broke currently. Now don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Really helps me out a lot. So hit that subscribe button down below here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.